we move forward to our third legend for the evening. And our third legend is Shri Lakshmaiah Ponnala. Can we clap for him? I request Mr. Chakradhar Rao and Mr. Pradeep Rao to kindly please join him here on stage. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a good look at the screen.
Born in 1944, Shri Lakshmaiah Ponnala came from a family of limited means. While no one in his family had much education, he worked hard and earned a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from the Osmania University. He then went on to complete a master's degree in mechanical engineering from the Oklahoma State University in 1969. With a vision to positively impact socially and economically weaker sections of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Ponnala joined state politics in the late 1970s. Since then, he has been elected as an MLA 4 times and has held ministerial roles thrice. Currently, he is serving as the president of the Telangana Congress Committee. In a political career spanning 3 decades, Shri Ponnala has worked in areas of hardware, animal husbandry, dairy, poultry and allied areas. In the poultry sector, he has made huge contributions through a wide range of initiatives, starting way back in 1997, when he helped set up the first poultry breeding farms in backward districts of Telangana. This created direct employment for over 2,400 people, and today there are over 700 broiler and 400 commercial layer farms in the region. Shri Ponnala has helped get loans and subsidies to needy poultry farmers, which has provided direct and indirect employment to over 30,000 people in the sector. To encourage a scientific temperament in poultry, Shri Ponnala provides funds to the top ranker for the degree course in poultry science at the Kakatiya University, Warangal, under the aegis of Ponnala Gold Medal since 2000. Shri Ponnala's rich body of work has been recognized by numerous awards and accolades, such as the Indira Gandhi Priyadarshini Award, Hall of Fame 2011 at the College of Engineering, Oklahoma State University, exemplary contribution for generating employment in IT industry, Sunderland University, United Kingdom, to name a few. He is also the recipient of the prestigious Global Order of Dignitaries and Philanthropists Award by the United Nations. Shri Lakshmaiah Ponnala has played an instrumental role in shaping the poultry industry in India and is a true role model for all of us. It is our honor to confer him with the Our Legend Award for the year 2019. Please welcome Shri Lakshmaiah Ponnala.
I request Mr. Chakradhar Rao to kindly please present the award, and I also request Mr. Pradeep Rao to kindly please present the floral bouquet and the shawl. So would you like to speak a few words on this proud moment?
Good evening, friends. I feel this evening that I am at home. A home for last 43 years. I have been in this industry. As a matter of fact, your theme, Igniting Minds. I may take a minute or so. Don't want to bother you. My mind was ignited in 1975 by none other than the youngest parliament member in the history of India. He was the Small Scale Industries Development Corporation of Andhra Pradesh. That is C. Madhav Reddy, late Madhav Reddy. That ignited mind was supplied with the fuel necessary to continue for the next 4 decades by Mr. B.V. Rao. He is the father of Indian poultry industry. I am very fortunate that I got associated with such great personalities. Having worked for NASA, for Shrike missiles and aerospace applications, my mind was always on the backward areas and the area which I came from. Provided the opportunities, I think anybody can rise to the occasion and do a good job. So, the background, the unimaginable circumstances nobody can imagine, social, financial, could come up to that level, and I thought of contributing something in spite of the fact that I was working for the missiles. So I chose poultry for the simple reason. The number of jobs created out of any investment, the lowest investment is the poultry sector, as a matter of fact. Number 2, it's the most nutritious and also required for the masses. Third, the employment generated is rural-oriented, uneducated, unskilled, deprived, less fortunate people. They are most of the people who are working in the farms. So today, I take pride that all of us associated with this industry made this country number 3 in the world in egg production, number 4 in the world in broiler production, and also I am proud, being a Telugu man, to say one word, not to hurt anyone. But today, Andhra and Telangana put together, we are number 1 in the per capita consumption of eggs and poultry meat. So you can imagine the number of jobs created. So one more thing is, the key point which most of the bureaucrats and politicians and other people ignore is the poultry litter. We are importing fertilizers for the farmers' purpose, agriculture purpose. And this year, the government of India is spending 70,400 crores as subsidy to the farmers of the imported with foreign exchange fertilizer. The fact is, this industry, as on today, every year, almost 10% of the poultry manure is contributing for the agriculture sector. That means the government is saving about 10% of the subsidy in importing chemical fertilizers. So it is all the time more important, more jobs, more growth potential. Then second thing is agriculture oriented. The agriculture sector is only 2 to 4% growth. The allied sectors put together like poultry and dairy and fisheries and horticulture, total put together is only 17% of the wealth generation in the country for 70% of the people depending on agriculture. So this focus has to be given by the government, by the people who matter, by the ignited minds, so that it can be carried. In 1985, we met the then Prime Minister and the delegation of Parliament members to create a situation for rapid growth of this industry. They have done so much, and the states have also so much. We are happy, but it should be continued. That's why I have 2 points to make. One is, the government of India and the poultry industry together must create a task force to analyze, monitor, and also create an atmosphere for the rapid growth for the employment generation in the country on the rural side. For that, a task force consisting of poultry industry is required to look into all aspects of poultry. Second thing is, the multinationals eyeing on India, trying to export poultry products, which is harmful for our industry and the country as a matter of fact. That should be enlightened to the government so that they should not take any such hasty action. The third point is, some cage growing is somebody is advocating, which is not really scientific basis. So we have to educate them, we have to carry the people, and I'm sure the ignited minds in this August gathering, the cream of this nation, the people who are responsible for such a wonderful industry of 100,000 crores contribution into the GDP, we have to march forward, we have to educate, we have to enlighten, we have to put pressure on the rulers, whoever it is, doesn't matter. We have to carry them so that who will be helpful to our fellow brethren who are not that fortunate, not that educated, not that they never had such opportunities. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening. Now I feel with all of you at home after some time, because even though I'm in the business, then I am doing something else. So they have shown some statements like I'm the current PCC president. No, I was the first PCC president after bifurcation Telangana state formed, and we don't know what is next. That's a different matter. So I just want to clarify that. Thank you very much. I enjoyed. I put my heart before you and your hearts and your minds. I'm sure we'll all work together to make this place a wonderful place and to make this country a proud country among the nations. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking to all of us here and sharing your valuable inputs and thoughts with us here today, this evening. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, with that we conclude the Legend Awards.
మన టాప్ తెలుగు టీవీ షేర్ చాట్ లో అలాగే డైలీ హండ్ న్యూస్ హ్యాప్స్ లో కూడా ఉంది. ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఇంతకీ మా ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుంటారుగా, గంట కొట్టడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు.
Hello guys, this is Vinay Kuya.
Hi, nenu me Sonakshi Verma.
Hi, this is Avantika.
This is Daystar Gopal.
Please like, share and subscribe to.
Please subscribe it.
Please subscribe to
Please subscribe to like, share and subscribe to
Top Telugu TV.
Top Telugu TV.
Top Telugu TV.
Top Telugu TV.
Top Telugu TV.